Hey guys, Sar from Elementor here. Today we'll go over the Elementor video background options. Video backgrounds immediately draw your website's viewer attention and adds to your overall website design. So just before we dive in, be sure to click the subscribe button so you will receive more useful tutorials, tips and tricks to make your workflow and web design a whole lot better. So let's begin. Create a new page and name it, and click Edit with Elementor. I'm using the default 2017 WordPress theme. It's not full width, so let me fix this real quick. Click the cog here and choose Elementor full width. That's it, it's done. We'll choose a pre-designed page, so click the Add Template icon, and I'll use this coffee store one, so clicking Insert here. So let's go ahead and change the hero section to a nice video background. Click the section handle to edit its settings. First, let's go to the advanced and get rid of the padding here. So just delete this. Great. Now under layout, choose mean height and set it to 500 pixels. Under style, click the video background icon here and let's insert a YouTube link. You can also insert a self-hosted video in an MP4 format. Upload it to your library and paste the link here. Just make sure it doesn't weigh too much. So let me copy this link here and paste. As you can see, it works. I have a video background for my hero section. Let's quickly go over the options available here. You see we have a start and end time, and that's very useful if you want to have a looped video. Let's start a video here at 10 seconds. Now let's set a fallback image. This is necessary for devices that don't preview videos automatically. So just click it and choose an image. Next we have background overlay. This is really useful when your video is too bright or when you want to personalize your video with your own touch. Let's see how it works. First, let's darken the video a little so the text will pop out. So click the background type and let's choose the color black. Play with the opacity slider and leave it around 60%. Now to personalize the video look, pick a color that suits your video. I'll pick an orange brownish color. Now set the opacity to 100%. And let's click the blend modes here and play with those a little. I'll go with multiply. Well, that's it. Now you can add video backgrounds to your sections and boost your website design. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos and tutorials. See you later.